Miss, I have made a card for my friend Neil. Wow, it's a wonderful card. You have made this card? Yes, Miss, me and my sister. Wow, you have drawn a necklace. Yes, Miss, it is a birthday card. Oh, when is her birthday? It is on 9th November. What a coincidence! N as in Neil, N as in necklace, and N as in 9th November. And today we will learn about letter N. So let's start. Hello children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello friends. So let's start, Monami. Yes, miss. This is an uppercase N. What is this, Monami? This is an uppercase N. And this is a lowercase n. What is this, Monami? This is a lowercase n. Yes. As you know, children, every letter has a different sound. Letter N is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is a story of a boy named Nick. There was once a boy named Nick who had a long nose. All the boys in the school used to tease Nick for his nose. Nick. Nose. And they used to laugh loudly. Nick felt ashamed of his long nose. Every year, in the month of November, the school organized an annual sports day. Nick loved to take part in sports, but felt shy participating. His sports teacher, Mr. Neil Nathan, always encouraged his students to take part in various activities of the school. One day, Mr. Neil called Nick to his office. He insisted that Nick should take part in the 900-meter race. He said participation is more important than winning. Nick finally agreed to run the race. On the final day, Nick was feeling nervous, but he gathered all his courage for the event. As the whistle blew, the race began. At the finishing line, it was almost a tie between Ben and Nick. The judges couldn't decide, but on the camera screen, it was seen that Nick's long nose was sticking out to cross the finish line. Thus, Nick was declared as the winner. From then on, Nick was proud of his long nose, and nobody teased him. So, children, the sound of letter N is N as in nose. So let us sing about the sound of letter N. N is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the N sound N. Let us say the N sound as in net, as in nest, as a newspaper. N as a net. N as a nest. N as a newspaper. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. N is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the N sound. N, 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 n. Let us say the N sound. N, 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 n. N as a nail. N as a nine. N as a nightingale. N as a nail. N as a nine. N as a nightingale. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. So now let us revise. What is the sound of letter N? N. N as in nose. N as in Neil. N as in noodles. I love to eat noodles. Oh, you love to eat noodles? Yes, miss. So children, in our next class, we'll learn about letter O with another interesting story. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. See you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.